I don't know when I last saw Pastor Diva, so many years back. But he is still blessing me. All pastors in this place, all the children, all of us. I'm very happy to be in this place. I'm called Florence Rukundo.
Sweet 16.
Sweet Kumi na Wakaga.
I don't want anyone to listen because
and I believe that you all have faith.
We all have faith, yes. Sweet 16, Mamila Mkola ku Top Radio.
I'm Sweet 16, I work on Top Radio.
Mkola nese ku Martin, bela ko sawa munana paka sawa kumi Monday to Friday.
8 to 4, Monday to Friday.
Okay. Peredwe nyimba mbili. Kakati obongo bugambo bakati bimba. Chikati nze kankubeza nge.